This is the most basic responsibility and the raison d'etre of distribution. It's profitable for both the buyer and the seller. A win-win game must exist in this trading. The customers themselves should become successful. You need to thoroughly stick to this value when doing business. We would usually use the word customer satisfaction, but then what is the reason for satisfying the customer? Even though they speak of customer satisfaction, the ultimate goal is to pursue their own interests. If you want to be successful with your business, you should never think of, I'll use my customers. People can't become means to an end, shouldn't become means for achieving your goal. Instead, they should always be your goal, the ultimate goal. How can you supply good and cheap products to your customers? This is the most basic responsibility and the raison d'etre of distribution. Then what kind of profits will our customers receive by choosing a company called Atomy? If there's a product that we found at a discount store, then we'll sell it cheaper. We sell toothbrushes. This toothbrush sells at $2.20 in other distribution channels. During sale events, it sells for about $1.60. But if we sell this product at 99 cents, then the consumer will buy the toothbrush at Atomy. It's the same product, but by choosing a distribution channel called Atomy, they gain a profit of 61 cents every time when buying a toothbrush. This is what's known as the principle of consumer's interest. Why do consumers buy things? They buy something because it's more profitable to buy something instead of keeping the money. So, in marketing, trade should be done in accordance with the principle of consumer's interest. We need to sell products by making it profitable for the consumers. Then, would the seller make a loss? No, it's more profitable for the seller to get the money rather than holding on to the goods. So the trade between the goods and the money will occur. So it's profitable for both the seller and the buyer. This is the principle of mutual benefit. A win-win game should always exist when trading. While you're doing business, you must think about whether your customers are receiving profits. Therefore, Atomy seeks customer success. Shouldn't be successful alone by using the customers, but the customers themselves should become successful. What it means to be successful as a consumer is, rather than spending elsewhere, buying Atomy's products is more profitable even by a penny for the consumer. So it's a successful transaction for the consumers. Then we'll make them successful by giving the customers an opportunity to do business. Based on the customer success, our APPOs should succeed, and our company should succeed. You should also thoroughly keep to this value when doing business. You can forget about your own success. Only you have to succeed. Only you have to succeed. Tell them this. Once you do that, the computer will help you become successful. Because we have a system for that. From now on, you should only work to make your customers become successful.